everyone. So today we have a third question in our Cisco Viptela SD-WAN series, and today we are going to discuss about one more question, that is, what is vManage used for in Cisco SD-WAN? This is a very interesting topic today, right? When we're talking about the SD-WAN and especially in Cisco Viptela, and we want to know about the vManage, so this is beautiful. So what if you could manage thousands routers with just a few clicks? That is the power of the vManage. vManage is a web-based dashboard where you can configure, monitor, troubleshoot, and automate your entire SD-WAN network. You don't need to log in into each router manually. It's all about GUI based, right? So you can see on the my screen, this is just a dashboard of the vManage, and here you can see this is how dashboard is looks like. So let me give you some idea about the dashboard. So you can see I'm logged in with this admin user, and after that you can see how many devices I onboarded on this one. So you can see this is my one vSmart available in the my SD-WAN fabric, three edge devices, and one vBond and one vManage. Okay, and apart from that, also you can see how many licenses you have and how many you used, and also showing about the control connections. That means how many WAN devices and it's working right now. Easily you can monitor, right? And here you can see about the tunnel endpoints. So how many tunnels right now you have in your system? What is the average latency, loss, and the jitter you have, right? So and also you can see about the top applications right now. This is the screenshot from the one of my recent batch. So this is not showing much data there because this is I just started. We done only 3 classes, so I onboarded few of the devices. But once we have the complete process and we done multiple labs, so you can see the each and every item here. So this is you can see how beautiful is it, right? Everything is mapped on the single pen, and we can see each and every item here. There is four main items are there in the vManage. One is the completely a GUI based, so you can also call this GUI platform. Second thing, push templates in the routing. So if you want to configure anything in your infrastructure or on the edge routers, you can create a templates on your vManage and push the configurations to the edge routers, right? Might be you are not aware of the what is the meaning of the templates, so do not worry, we will discuss this in coming questions. So I already told you this is a single pane of glass that means you can see each and every item on the dashboard itself. So if any what exactly happening at your organization in their statements, so you want to say just log in on the vManage and don't need to go anywhere, complete say on the dashboard itself. If you want to do anything like you want to upload the firmware images for the upgrade or downgrade, you want to upload the licenses have two options. One is you can upload, and second thing that you also integrate directly with your Cisco Smart account. Third one, you also check the logs certificate. So this is just a basic item, but you can control everything from the SD-WAN. So if I give you the example, you can see on the my screen, right? This is a airport control tower, right? Sometimes you also heard about the ATC and something in the newspaper and the print media might be you heard about you read the word ATC, airport traffic control, right? This is generally we always a control tower. So control tower is similar. If I say my vManage is completely like control tower, who manage everything, like got it. So in short, I want to say vManage is completely like a control tower whose monitor, coordinate in the entire SD-WAN network. It has full visibility and control everything from a central location. So if we have a complete visibility from the central locations, right? so there is a less chances of the failures. And easy to monitor, right? In if we have 1,000 branches and I want to control from central location, so it will be easy, right? Whoever the engineer is working in the operations, it will be easy to handle the every items from the single dashboard. What exactly running, what is down, everything you can see here, right? So if I give the like I already told you, there is core basic features are there. That is the GUI platform. First thing, second thing is the push templates and policies. Second thing, everything you can see on the real-time dashboard. And last thing, I also told you the form. If you want to upload the firmware log certificate easily, you can from the single place. Now let me give you some advanced idea about that and why exactly is the powerful. The first thing is saves hour of the manual configurations config time. Second thing, reduce error and enforces consistency. Next thing, it helps to monitor our applications traffic like Zoom, Office 365, Salesforce, many more applications. Is if I give you the basic idea about it, almost pre-configured around 3,300 plus applications available in the SD-WAN, and all are the pre-configured applications. But if you want to create your own applications for the local infrastructure, if you are running any application, you can. There is a lot of granularity available to create a custom applications. So in short, I want to summarize this questions. Let me summarize these questions. So vManage is the one-stop shop to run Cisco SD-WAN like a pro. Got it. So thanks for watching this video and hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you think this is a insightful